Good morning, folks. Raise your hand if you're hungover this morning. I bet some of you did, really. Anyhow, we are here this morning to announce our winner for the 200 membership giveaway. And yes, I cannot talk this morning. It's too early. I haven't had enough coffee. Anyhow, so the winner will receive this Chris 2013 $2 bill, the silver Mercury dime 1942, and a treasure hunting with Swifty sticker. So let's see what we have going on here. We're going to open it up. Right now it says that is not the winning time. I'm just showing you where I'm going to start. We're at 146. We're going to start from there. We'll spin the hands a couple of times around. We can sing a song if you like, but I don't know, it's too damn early for me for singing. Anyhow, when should I stop?
How about now?
Alrighty. So, the winning time is 6:38. 6:38.
And the closest without going over
is Piedmont Artifacts with the time of 6:10. So Piedmont Artifacts, please contact me and I will get your prizes out to you. And congratulations. I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Invite your friends. We're going to do some new stuff here this spring. So we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.